Star Wars, da-da-da, Star Wars, da-da-da, Star Wars, ba-da-da-da. Some kids go nuts for Christmas. Other kids are like, Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. This kid is all about May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Star Wars Day. I mean, what more could you want? It's a day to celebrate that galaxy far, far away, and the amazing people at Disney, sometimes, I don't know them personally, they put out little Star Wars treats on May the 4th. Like they'll give a little sneak peek to the new Star Wars movie, again, just speculating, or they'll show you like photos of how the park's gonna look because it's coming out in August, again, I'm speculating, but there's usually something. Every year there's something for a Star Wars fan to look forward to on May the 4th. So I'm gonna give you one too. I'm gonna show you to make Darth Maul pancakes for May the 4th. Be with you always. All right, Star Wars fans, let's make some pancakes. Grab a large bowl and add your red velvet cake mix and whisk it with all-purpose flour. When it's all mixed together, crack 1 egg into the flour mixture, then add buttermilk and melted butter, and whisk it all together again. Let the batter sit off to the side, and let's make our cream cheese frosting. In a food processor or immersion blender, add the cream cheese and icing sugar and blend it together. Then gradually add your 2% milk. Then blend that frosting until it's smooth. Now it's time to make our pancakes. Use some cooking spray, heat the pan to a medium-low heat, scoop a ladle worth of pancake batter into the pan and let it cook till it starts to bubble. Give it a flip, cook on the other side, remove from the pan, and repeat till all the batter's gone. Time to build your pancakes. Place a pancake down on the plate and layer with cream cheese frosting and repeat until you're all done. Then sprinkle crumbled Oreo cookies all over the top of the pancakes and drizzle with chocolate sauce. Ta-da! Darth Maul Pancakes. Na 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 na. That's good. I gotta stop now. Well, there you have it, my little Padawans. Another May the 4th recipe in the books. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, ding, 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 ding. And in the comments below, let me know your favorite Star Wars character. Maybe next year, just maybe, we'll feature a recipe video for them. May the 4th be with you always. These are not the droids I'm looking for.